Introduction to Revolutionary Programming Languages.
Programming languages are the foundation of every digital system we use today. Over the decades, a handful of these languages have transformed computing, shaping how we write code and build technology. Let's explore the landmark programming languages that changed the course of computing history forever.
FORTRAN, the first high-level language.
Launched in 1957, FORTRAN, short for Formula Translation, was the world's first high-level programming language. Created for scientific and engineering calculations, it made programming more accessible, reliable, and faster. FORTRAN set the standard for future language design, making complex calculations practical on early computers.
COBOL, Business Programming Revolution.
Introduced in 1959, COBOL, Common Business-Oriented Language, revolutionized commercial data processing. Its English-like syntax helped bridge the gap between programmers and business professionals. COBOL powered global banking, insurance, and government systems, and many core financial infrastructures still rely on it today.
C, the backbone of modern software.
Developed in the early 1970s, the C programming language redefined how operating systems and applications were created. Known for its speed and efficiency, C became the foundation for modern software, including the development of Unix and later languages like C++ and Java. Its influence is felt in almost all technology today.
Java, write once, run anywhere.
Released in 1995, Java addressed the challenge of software portability. Its motto, write once, run anywhere, meant programs could run on any device with a Java virtual machine. Java empowered the growth of web applications, enterprise tools, and the Android operating system, cementing its role as a worldwide standard.
Python, simplicity and power for all.
The Python, introduced in 1991, prioritized readability and simplicity, making programming approachable to newcomers and experts alike. Its versatility spans web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and automation. The thriving Python ecosystem and supportive community have made it one of the most popular languages in the world.
Legacy and the future.
These programming languages didn't just solve technical challenges, they inspired new ways of thinking and building software. From FORTRAN's pioneering days to Python's modern versatility, each language left a mark on how we shape our digital world. The evolution of programming languages continues, promising more innovation ahead.